Sometimes it feels like I should know how to walk on water. Sometimes it feels like I should know. Yeah, ain't nobody else. I keep it to myself.